Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting now? Plug the lightning cable in or place the AirPods Max on charge so battery won't interrupt pairing. Make sure your iPhone or iPad is unlocked and running the latest iOS. Bluetooth must be enabled because that's how Discovery works. Once done, take the headphones out of the smart case and press the noise control button to wake them. This initiates the pairing handshake. You'll hear a chime that confirms they're discoverable and ready to connect to your device. Now complete the connection. On your iPhone, tap Settings Bluetooth and watch for AirPods Max to appear. This is the device advertising its name via BLE. Tap the entry to initiate pairing and accept any on-screen prompts to enable spatial audio, automatic device switching, and Siri. These options improve hands-free control and sound behavior across apps. If you use iCloud, signing in with the same Apple ID lets the headphones propagate to your finish by verifying functionality. Play music, rotate the digital crown to check volume and press for play/pause, and toggle noise control to confirm modes. Make sure spatial audio and head tracking behave as expected in supported apps so you get the intended surround effect. If something goes wrong, try a soft reset first. If persistent, reset the AirPods Max by holding the noise control button and digital crown together for about 15 seconds and then repair. This clears pairing errors and reinstates default firmware behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.